preparations for the games tomorrow?
Okay. Slowly we get the injured players back. We only have suspension Nick. We know our goal. We want to be not on the position where we are now. We want to be ending the competition at least in top 6, and if we can get more, we will get more. So it's with 2 difficult games, Malut away and Bandung at home. I think big challenge for us to see where we are. And I think we played away game Persija where we showed that we should be higher in the ranking than we are now.
Oke, pelan-pelan pemain cedera kembali, yang suspend cuma Nick, dan tujuan kita tetap sama, masuk top 6 dan kalau bisa setinggi mungkin sampai akhir musim. Kita tahu akan ada 2 pertandingan sulit, Malut jauh dari rumah away dan Persib home. Jadi di pertandingan terakhir ketika berhadapan melawan Persija, semestinya kita tidak ada di posisi yang di mana kita berada sekarang. Kita bisa lihat.
Untuk persiapannya semua pemain dalam kondisi baik dan tidak ada yang kemasan apapun. Ya kami siap besok untuk meraih hasil yang baik, yaitu memenangkan pertandingan.
Okay, Coach. First, he said thank you, and then good afternoon, and then 3 questions.
3 questions?
Yes.
Okay. Selamat sore.
That's why thank you. Selamat sore.
I forgot to selamat sore.
And Nick will absent for tomorrow game. Nick will absent tomorrow game. Who will replace him? That's the first question. The second question: Fico will play in Dewa United. Is it advantage or not for Dewa? And the third one is you win the last game against Yogyakarta. Is it a good capital for this game or not?
Okay. Can I write it?
Already.
No, you asked 2 questions about the formation, but I think we have different options to replace the players, and we can play also a different system. But we have also Wayu. I'm very happy he played also in Malut, and I'm very happy with him as a central defender. Damien came back, and he's also an option in the center. I think Figo, we are very happy in his personality and his quality. But I think the moment he arrived at the team, his main what he did was make the competition higher. We have good players, and good players will be good players. But if they know we have a strong bench, then it's extra motivation for them. And I think that we are we're very happy with Figo. I also understand sometimes that he didn't play a Malut with Tyrone on his position, so he got always the minutes to play. But for us, he's a candidate to start because he's coming from Malut, and especially for the competition, his qualities are very useful and helpful, and we are very happy with him. The last question.
About PSM win.
No, that was not a good preparation. We showed the players which mistake we made. We didn't make for a few weeks. I think that, of course, I'm happy we won that game. But I think if we make the same mistakes in the next 8 games, then we will have more defeats. So we have to recover from some very fundamental mistakes we made in that game, and we had time, so I think we solved it, and I think we use it, and there will be a different Deva than we had last week, because I think we didn't play a good game. We won, but it's not enough if you want to go higher.
Okay,
Figo good, by you. And Damien option, and we make mistakes, and we have to learn from that from last game.
Ya, intinya itu. Jadi dua pertanyaan tadi itu pertanyaan teknis. Bisa saja kita main formasi yang berbeda, opsi lain. Bisa juga sistemnya juga kita rubah, bisa. Tetapi kita jangan lupa di Dewa ada Wahyu. Wahyu pernah main di Malut, pemain bagus, dia senang juga sama dia. Dia posisi juga center back. Terus ada juga pemain lain namanya Damion, bisa juga jadi opsi, dia baru balik juga. Terus soal Vico, dia senang. Vico ada di Dewa, dia punya kepribadian dan kualitasnya bagus. Terus ketika kita mendatangkan dia, tujuannya adalah untuk memperkuat pemain lapis. Jadi pemain kedalaman skuad ya, untuk meningkatkan kualitas itu. Supaya ada kompetisi juga di sana. Ketika ada kompetisi maka makin kuat pemain cadangan itu. Dan dia senang ada di sana. Dan kita tahu juga ketika di Malut dia jarang main. Karena dia posisi sama dengan si Tiron. Dan tapi kita tidak boleh lupa dia juga kandidat untuk main, karena semakin adanya pemain yang berkualitas, kompetisi di tim juga akan semakin tinggi. Terus ketiga, persiapan pertandingan melawan PSIAM, dia tidak setuju karena pertandingan itu tidak bagus, dan dia sudah kasih lihat ke pemain apa kesalahan yang kita buat yang beberapa minggu tidak terjadi. Terus sudah jarang kita lakukan kesalahan itu, dan kalau kita lakukan itu kesalahan kita bisa kalah. Jadi kita udah cukup waktu, kita udah kasih lihat ke pemain. Jadi kalau kita lakukan kita bisa kalah, dan ini kesalahan-kesalahan dasar yang harus kita perbaiki. Dan besok dia bilang akan ada dewa yang berbeda. Dewa yang berbeda. Kita menang memang lawan Yogyakarta, tetapi itu tidak cukup.
And we have Brian, of course.
Dan terakhir ada Brian yang opsi itu.
And we are close to Papua. Eh?
Dan kita dekat dengan Papua.
Iya.
Ada lagi kata-kata?
Silakan.
Apa yang ingin kita tunjukkan ke
Yang ingin saya tunjukkan di lapangan lah bermain baik, bermain dengan sesuai instruksi pelatih, ya, dan untuk meraih kemenangan. Terima kasih.
3 points.
3 point.
Ya, 3 poin.
No.
No.
He should say what you should say.
Apa harusnya jawabanmu? Ayo, kalau udah ikut
Bermain bagus.
Udah ikut.
Good play.
Bermain bagus.
Ada lagi kata-kata? Dengan segi waktu sebentar.
Okay.
Terima kasih.
Thank you.
Terima
Silakan
kasih.
foto, take picture.